Hi, welcome to Edwardstown Mazda. You've never seen a program like this before? Let's go inside and take a look. Here at Edwardstown Mazda, I have this exciting program to introduce you to. Welcome to Advantage Plus Owners Program, Australia's one and only. We created Advantage Plus to give you more value, more perks, and more peace of mind. On top of our incredible in-showroom pricing, you will unlock thousands in added value on your new or demo Mazda. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. And it's not instead of a good deal, it's on top of a great deal. It's no surprise that we have the most Google reviews of any dealership in South Australia. And as the highest rated, it's easy to see why choosing Edwardstown Mazda is a no-brainer. And with Advantage Plus, it's just another way we are putting you, our valued customer, first. So whether you like to swap cars like you swap your mobile phones, or whether you like to keep it until the wheels fall off, Advantage Plus delivers. We can't wait to see you here at Edwardstown Mazda. See you soon.